To create account, go to this link. This link was sent to your email. Just open it. Fill up the form. Select company. Your company is auto-selected. That's okay. Click I agree. Submit. Now log in using your newly created account. Sign in. You are now inside your dashboard.